Technical analysis with the dark cloud cover candlestick pattern can still be possible even when the proportions of the second candle don't have criteria such as the opening price above the high of the first candle or closing price below the halfway point of the first candle. While it's not ideal, this kind of price action can still qualify as general dark cloud cover price action, where at a minimum bearish sentiment is represented by the opening price of the second candle being at least above the closing price of the first candle, and dropping down to close at least somewhere in the real body price range of the first candle. Even when the more ideal proportions of this candle pattern are present along with increased volume, a large drop may not always take place immediately. Though like on the first chart, the pattern can still identify the approximate beginning of more significant resistance that becomes highly relevant as the chart recovers from a relatively quick drop. Like in this case, price can briefly trade over the highs of the dark cloud cover candle pattern, but there's no decisive close higher. And in this case, there's an even stronger reversal candle pattern with the bearish engulfing that has near immediate confirmation with the following candles strongly closing below its low. As a result, there's lasting, stable bearish sentiment, and similar situations further in the downtrend where bearish engulfing patterns quickly reverse any minor bullish retracements. Certainly, this next example doesn't come close to filling criteria for the dark cloud cover candle pattern, but it does share similar general qualities we discussed at the beginning, in that doubt is put into the previous bullish move that actually ends with a bearish shooting star candle pattern. Then those red candles that follow are the dark cloud cover portion in that price can hover at those highs for a brief period before steadily closing lower and lower. So in this case, you could say the main focus is on the bearish shooting star candle, and although there's no immediate confirmation closing under its low, the few candles after it show qualities of dark cloud cover price action, which overall leads to a more gradual push down of price rather than a sharp drop. Down here, a slightly more bullish doji candle bullishly engulfed. Then the formation of dark cloud cover puts doubt into the strong short-term movement. Relatively quick follow-through with more bearish candles advancing below the dark cloud cover's low, resulting in a good example of this candle pattern taking place in more of a bearish continuation context.